Imagine holding the future in the palm of your hand. That's the sensation the Honor Magic 5 Pro promises and delivers. This cutting-edge device, with its sleek design and top-of-the-line features, is more than just a smartphone. It's a testament to the limitless potential of technology. The first thing that sets the Honor Magic 5 Pro apart is its design. The device boasts a ceramic back panel with a metallic frame, exuding a sense of modern elegance that is both attractive and durable. The phone comes in various color options, each more striking than the last, allowing you to choose the one that best represents your style. But the Honor Magic 5 Pro is not just about looks. This phone packs quite a punch under the hood. It is powered by a Kirin 995G chip, one of the most advanced processors in the market. This chip ensures speedy performance. Whether you're multitasking or playing high-end games, it's like having a supercomputer in your pocket. The Honor Magic 5 Pro also shines in the display department. The phone sports a 6.76-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. That means you get a vibrant, smooth, and immersive viewing experience, whether you're watching movies, scrolling through photos, or playing games. The camera on the Honor Magic 5 Pro is another standout feature. The phone comes with a quad camera setup, including a 108-megapixel primary sensor, a 20-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, an 8-megapixel telephoto sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. This setup allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in any light condition, and the built-in AI capabilities make sure every shot is a masterpiece. Battery life is a crucial factor for any smartphone, and the Honor Magic 5 Pro doesn't disappoint. The phone comes with a massive 4,500 mAh battery, which can easily last a full day of heavy use. And with the 66W fast charging support, you can get your phone back to full power in no time. The Honor Magic 5 Pro also excels in the audio department. The phone features stereo speakers that deliver clear, rich sound. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, the audio experience is simply top-notch. And let's not forget about the software. The Honor Magic 5 Pro runs on Magic UI 4.0, based on Android 11. This software offers a clean, intuitive interface, and it's packed with useful features that enhance your smartphone experience. To sum it up, the Honor Magic 5 Pro is a device that truly delivers on all fronts. Its stunning design, powerful performance, excellent display, versatile camera, long-lasting battery, superior audio, and user-friendly software make it one of the best smartphones on the market today. It's not just a device, but a companion that enhances your lifestyle and keeps you connected to the world. So, step into the future with the Honor Magic 5 Pro and experience the magic of technology at its finest.